Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS screen Android 9 Pie system special for Jeep Grand Cherokee 2014 to 2018 years. Okay, let me introduce. It will come with special harness and canvas box with head unit together. You can check this is canvas and this is connector of harness. Will come with head unit together. It's plug and play. Okay, you can choose the time. This air condition. This button color is built-in microphone reset hole. It's a GPS slot. Okay, you can choose the time. You can choose logo. You also can choose the music or other. Just lower it. You can check it. Choose the music. Their navigation. And speed logo. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit, telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose the Jeep logo. When you back to home, it change the Jeep and you can adjust the theme editor. Color you can adjust with green, blue, red, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. All apps are here. It's built in DSP amplifier and Google Maps. It's Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Built-in YouTube. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. But machine you can check MC1, CPU, octa-core, memory size 4GB, hardware PX5 rack chip. Android version is Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. You can check the storage. It's a total 64GB. And you can adjust this button color on car settings, personal setting, LED settings. You can choose the red, green, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. Click OK. Okay. Firstly, let me show the Bluetooth. Its device name and the pin number. Let me open my phone. You can check. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone and click search button. You can search the Bluetooth device, connect. Your phone will get the message. Okay, put the 40. Click OK. You can delete. Let me try again. Search and pair. Okay, it show connected Bluetooth icon. Okay, you can make phone call. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth streaming Bluetooth from your phone. Bluetooth volume control from your phone. Volume. Okay, there is two USB cable. It's USB driver. Connect to USB. It play music automatically. It's USB 2. This DSP amplifier. I just connect the small speaker to test sound. Just connect to the rear speaker. Okay, this is the music. Let me show the video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, car setting, driving setting, turn on the watch video, and play video game. You can check this 4K Samsung 4K demo video. Wrote the word. Okay, let me check the settings. Car settings. You can check. You can turn on the reserving volume. Choose it. It's watch video. Turn on. And rear view camera settings. It's ruler, tracking display, X mirroring. It supports the steering wheel control. It's personal settings. You can check the autoplay music from USB SD card. It's power, ACC delay, LED settings, and illumination. It's vehicle battery, Bluetooth phone, night mode. Okay, this driving setting. It's navigation setting. You can set the maps, Google Maps, and navigation sound. GPS, you can test the GPS. Please make sure connect the GPS as well. GPS on. Okay, you can restore the system. Okay, let me show the system. You can check. You can add and change language. All languages are built in. It's so many languages you can check. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us.